Good morning, everybody. How's it going? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing something I never thought I'd do. I'm going to be doing a vlog. Right? So, hey, it's an easy video to make. And hopefully it'll be interesting. It's a beautiful day outside, and today I'm going to go look at and probably buy a Grizzly G0704 mini mill. Found it on the marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, and yep, it's a couple hours away. But I've been waiting for I've been watching for one of these for a long time. They don't pop up often, and the reason I want a mini mill rather than just like a Bridgeport is because the particular mill that I'm looking at is very easy to convert to CNC, which I intend to do pretty quickly. So like I'm gonna get this, and it won't be a regular machine, a regular mill for long. I'm probably gonna convert it as soon as I can scrape together the cash, because it's not cheap either. So anyway, that should be pretty cool. A little update on the shop here. I've been cleaning everything up here, so I got all these shelves organized and the benches, and I made myself a little metal rack there, and just cleaning everything off. It's been like a couple days worth of work, just making different stuff, like I don't know, just organizing everything, and it's sweeping and cleaning. Oh, by the way, if any of you guys are interested in a nice little Atlas lathe, hit me up, because I'm thinking of selling that and getting a bigger one. So right now I'm gonna go pick up the van from the shop, and gonna come back, and first, before I head out to pick up the mill, I'm gonna get rid of all this trash. But yep, gotta go pick that up, take that to the dump. See you then.
Seatbelts on, you got your seatbelt.
Get your seatbelts on. Are we there yet?
Big metal bird.
Exit right to exit 98, US 50 east, Minneapolis.
Uh-oh.
Get out my mirror.
I feel a little dizzy here.
Well, don't crash.
I was hyperventilating, I think, a little bit from, I guess, talking too fast or something. Just a little bit. It's not bad. But I hyperventilate really easily. Like if I go, well, don't do that. Don't do that.
Why don't you do it here for the
or
camera?
Or like, whoa! The coppers!
The coppers have got him.
Is that a truck?
That's a cop truck.
Wowzer.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that? That's a cop?
What it?
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
and it doesn't even have the antenna on top. You would never know. Hey, Comcast! Hey, Hurl's Math and Tile! Hey, Power and Climate, Infinite Power! Good. Whoa, I guess we're going across the Chesapeake Bay now. These types of bridges make me a little nervous. Going up so high in the air.
We are pretty high. Would not want to go off the side.
No, should we try? Should we try to hop the fence?
That would be a story to tell.
That'd be cool. It'd be like one of those zero gravity things.
Then we
Like
could
hit the water and it just, you'd have to drown then.
Now we're going. Spicy tenders are back.
Y'all get them spicy tenders.
Get them spicy tenders.
Y'all get them spicy
Y'all get them spicy tenders. Well, guys, we got it. It's in the back there.
Super excited. Having a little bit of buyer's remorse now, but overall I'm happy with my purchase. Yeah, we got there and kind of ran the table back and forth to see if there was any wear in the ways, but it seemed pretty solid. Yeah, I'm excited and nervous now at the same time. So, what do you think, Nathal?
I think it's great.
Yep, nice little machine. Got a bunch of tooling with it and a little bit of aluminum to get started. Otherwise, man, go home and unload this thing and do some milling.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
You okay?
You okay?
Alan would be proud.
Well, I forgot to ask for no ice.
Oh, that's why that's like packed full of ice.
Because if I go in, right, I never get ice.
Yeah.
Because then you get more soda. Get some more soda. Wendy's is the worst. Wendy's gives you like a cup of ice with like a little bit of soda. Thank you very much. Have a good day. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Nice and hot. Alright guys, we're back. Oh man, what is it, 10?
10.
So, yep, we're probably gonna load it tomorrow, right? What do you think?
Yeah, I don't feel like unloading.
Oh my goodness. But there she is. Certainly a mini mill. But I guess that's why they call it a mini mill.
No, duh.
Why is nobody laughing? Okay, yeah, I guess we'll unload it tomorrow. Alright, so I tore the mill apart and cleaned everything, oiled everything, adjusted it, adjusted the gibs, and man, I have it tuned in. It is solid. I trimmed the head here. I didn't trim the column yet, just because I don't have any shims. I have to order some shim stock. But everything, I mean, it works great. I can run this 2-inch face cutter here and it doesn't chatter on aluminum. This I would cut a bunch of steel with it with this 3/8 inch bit, slotting. It doesn't really chatter. It's a solid machine. Yeah, I'm super happy with it, man. From the way it looks, it's pretty much a brand new machine. So it was a good buy. I think. Hopefully there's nothing super wrong with it. I am super excited to convert this thing to CNC. I just got to order the parts, get a parts list, and spend the money. It's probably going to cost more in parts to convert it than the actual mill costs. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more of this vlog type content, I guess, let me know in the comments. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you are doing well. I hope you survived coronavirus, and I'll see you in the next video.